Hey all, today I'm going to give you a review and a practical demonstration of the lighting effects for this softbox. So it does come with this remote control and I do have it set up right now. I'm going to show you the different controls, the features, the functionalities, and how the changes impact the lighting of this video. So I am going to start with warmness and then go to its coolest setting. So this is its warmest setting right now. And then I'm going to slowly go cooler and cooler and cooler. So this is its coldest setting. As you can see, it is day and night. So back to warm. There's 6 different settings for cool and warm. Now, there's also brightness, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is going dim. This is pretty much off. This is its lowest setting. And then go up one more, and another, and another, and another. So you can see the differences here. It really impacts the lighting. So if you're a content creator or you're into photography, you're going to want to get something that's as versatile as this. And the remote control saves you a ton of time from having to change the settings on the back. So it's really nice. I know that there are fancier softboxes out there that are built-in apps, but honestly, I like having a separate remote control so that you can control that and use your phone for other things like taking pictures or video recording, for example. Some people use their phones to do that. So this is really nice and convenient. And I'm actually taking all this footage on the iPhone 13 Pro right now. So if you're thinking about getting something like this is definitely right for you. Thanks for watching and you have a great day.